Hi crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Marissa. Today I have some projects to share. I have been working and playing around with Happy Crafter Shop beads. You guys know I'm on Lisa's team and I have been trying to come up with different ways to use the beads. But I have had a couple projects that I had to stop working on because I got sick, and I'm finally getting around to catching up and getting stuff done. But I'd like to share with you guys what I've created. I've posted stuff on my Instagram. As always, that's probably my number one place to go to. But I did share the haul, and this is the chaos of the box right now, but I did create quite a bit of things. So you guys know my discount code is PinkApe10, and if you want to grab any of these beads, I suggest you like jam over there as fast as you can because this stuff sells out quick. I know her flowers are gone, which I nabbed a couple and I ordered them right after I saw that she had shared some, and I checked her site or the shop, and sure enough she had a few left, so I grabbed some. But Happy Crafter Shop over on Instagram, and then her personal account is at happycrafter_Lisa, and then here on YouTube she is Happy Crafter, so I will be linking her in the description box. So off the bat, I had a few projects from the last design, and I think I did share this one on here. I can't remember, but I did create this little charm dangle with some of her beads and her chain that she has. I love it, the plastic chain. I have another project, but I'm gonna wait till I get it done to share. I don't know if I shared these, you guys. I was able to finish up some of my pineapple, the pina colada, and I made a charm dangle to match the sequence mix, and I have a couple other projects I need to finish because I had all the plans to list this stuff on my Etsy shop because I thought it would be fun to have like little kits for you to create pineapple shakers, and I got sick and just set stuff aside, and then I got a new collection, so that's what I can't keep up, you know, being sick, just not feeling good. So off the bat though, this new collection, I just love it. It was all pink, and I did order her pink lemonade kit that she ordered, so some of the stuff on here is from that. The one thing that I shared is the sequence mix. I purchased, she sent me in the kit, first of all, a set, and then I went and purchased more of it and the sequence mix because I loved it. It is so cute, you guys. These clay bits are adorable. So I can't remember the name of this one, but I'll link everything in the description box. But I did a little reel where I did the mix. Now this one, because it had more of the little yellow clay bits, I just added more of this. I'm not sharing that project yet of what I use the sequence mix because, you know, I want it to be a little bit of a reveal when I do it, which will be in the next coming days. Anyways, this is what I did. I just mixed the little clay bits, and I still have another package of this. I just can't find it. I got two because I love this mix. It is so pretty. Anyways, I'm just gonna throw it all in there. I'll get that out later. And then I did purchase this one because I just love the little color combination. It's very light and pinks and yellows, and it's perfect. And see, oh my gosh, I just love the way this looks. Okay, and there you go. Look at that. Oh, I love this. You guys, it's that easy. And she has all of these available in her shop. Oh my gosh, I just love these. Now, I'm going to put this mix in one of the little tubes like this because I'm working on a project. So I think that's going to be perfect to send extra aside of what I already made. So I just wanted to mix that and show you guys how easy that is. Voila, done. The other thing I've been working on are all these charm dangles. Love them. Okay, so I decided to make 4 of these. Now, I'm thinking of making a cute little kit and putting it on my Etsy shop if I focus and, you know, do the work. But I did add the new little bows that came in the kit. I added them to a yellow bottle cap, and I just punched a hole. It's a little wonky, but looks cute. And then these little lemonade clay bits were from or cabochon were from the pink lemonade kit she had. And then some of these like beads are from past kits, but the green one is new, the swirl. Here's the pink swirl. This one I actually purchased from, I think it's Eva, I believe, or is it Ara? I can't remember. I'll look to see what her shop is called and I'll link it. I just thought if I don't have to make it, that's one less thing. But I love the color combo because I was thinking pink lemonade. And these are the new stars that she just sent me. I just added them all in here. Here's the yellow ones that she sent me in this kit, the little flower. You guys, it is too much fun. And so I made 4 of them. Here's the jumbo bow, the pink bubblegum bow. They're the pink luminous bows. I just love them. And I added the little yellow flower. And then here's another. I added the cute little snow cone, or not snow cone, but ice cream cone from a couple months back because I thought, oh my gosh, this perfect color matches. And then she had these cute little charms, a lemon, and then here's another one from her pink lemonade. And I just added anything yellow and pink that she had sent me in her kits because there are a lot of cute little charm dangles. So there's that one. And then I have another one here. I made these two yellow clasps are the same. I try to make them the same, similar charms. And then I did do a different bottle cap with this one. And here's the little flowers that she just sent me, the polka dot flowers, cabochons. I added it to the bottle cap there and then created this fun little charm dangle. So cute, you guys. They're so much fun. Now I made a big one. As you can see here, almost every single charm or bead on here is from Lisa's shop. Look at these big ones. Aren't they so cute? I just added one of those clear little, what were they called? Bells, I believe. And made it a charm. How cute is that? And then here are her little bows that she had from the last session. And here's the yellow one that she just sent me. Oh, I just love the way that looks. And then these were like fun little candy bits that she had in her shop. So I just made this big old charm dangle here and I added it to this class because my idea is to create a clipboard like this one. This one, I am almost done with it. I take my time when I make stuff, I swear to God. So I have everything that I'm going to add to this. I just haven't packaged it, but I don't want to share it because there's, I'm sending it to someone. But I added a lot of her charms from the past kits, and I just matched up all the colors. So that's what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to create something similar to this with a paper collection that matches this color combo. So you guys, I'm telling you, I have been having fun. Look at this. I decided to use one of the animal print bottle caps that I have there. Look at this. I just love that orange. Matches perfect to that bottle cap. So I'm making these charms. And then on some of these, I just created little charms themselves. Like this one, for example. And then this one as well. And then I also took this one and created little just charms to add. And then here are, where are they? Oh, here's those big bows. I just added little seed beads. And then found this orange one, so I'm gonna make a Halloween theme one. So you guys, I have been having fun with these charms. Definitely head over to Lisa's shop and check out what she has because stuff goes fast in her shop. She has restocked a lot of stuff that I saw, like a lot of the clay bits and sequence mixes are available. So I will link everything in the description box so you guys have a direct link to it. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you guys were inspired. Bye.